Now here is how you can open a PDF attachment on the Gmail on Android, right? So if you receive like an email, here's how it would work. If it's your first time in here, subscribe and we can get started. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up the Gmail app on my Android device like this. You can see I'm signed in with my account, and the first email right here actually contains a PDF attachment. So I'm going to get inside like this. You can see that the first one is just an image. And yeah, I mean, actually this one is image, and this in here is the PDF attachment. You can see it right here. It is saying that it's indeed a PDF. So I have a few options. Like I can click on it and see what appears, right? I'm given the selection of a few apps, right? So I have the ability to open it through Samsung Notes, for example, or some different apps. So if you have like a PDF editor installed on your phone, you can use this one. If I try to use it through the Samsung Notes, for example, I'm going to click just once. You can see that it has the ability to load it up, and I can actually read the whole PDF. It's just a sample PDF, but using the Samsung Notes, I have the ability to open it up. So as you can see, this is the first option, and you can use some app which allows you to do it. Outside of this, you can also see the download button next to it, which gives you the ability to save it somewhere to your local storage, right? So as you can see, I can download it. It was already downloaded before, so I can re-download it again. But whenever I go to my file browser, I will have the ability to see it right here, go to my downloads, and yes, the file sample, the PDF is right here. So same story in here. When I click on it, I have the ability to open it through any of the apps available. If it works, and if not, I can just get a third-party PDF app, right? So there are apps like PDF Gear or different ones available, which are basically going to give you the ability to open the PDF file. So as you can see, I just randomly downloaded one. I'm going to wait for it to be installed like this. And if I come back to the files, tap on the PDF, it now gives me the ability to use another one right here. So it even has some additional options, right? Whatever. And in here, I can use this freshly downloaded third-party app to open the PDF. So that is another option for you right there. So I hope that I was able to fully explain it. If you have some additional thoughts about it, subscribe for more and leave them in the comments. And I'll see you in the next videos as well.